Hey guys, this is DJ from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we are doing a quick video about the benefits of using an aluminum oxide glass bead mixture. Here we have a sample stainless steel application. We use two separate machines to blast this part. Starting from left to right, we've got the glass bead, the raw original look, and we've also got the mixture here. As you can see, the glass bead side did an incredible job of cleaning and polishing the application, giving it a smooth and bright finish. As for the mixture, it's not as bright as the glass bead finish, however, it did give it a sandblasting profile while also having a smooth finish. There are benefits to using the mixture in a vapor honing cabinet. For starters, you can combine abrasives. The aluminum oxide quickly strips the rust and the oxidation while the glass bead cleans and polishes the part. Doing this will speed up the process. Also in a vapor honing system, your abrasives will last a lot longer than in a sandblaster. Lastly, you can effectively mix abrasives in a vapor blaster, whereas sandblasters you can't. The reason is that sandblasters do not have a pumping system to create a slurry mixture like in a vapor hone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about mixing abrasives or vapor honing in general, give us a call at 828-202-5563 or visit us at www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.